So it's our final stay in the Teneriffe Farm campsite. G and I had some chips last night. I'm just quickly boiling the jet oil to make ourselves a pot of coffee. It's absolutely stunning weather today. It's meant to be about 21, 22 degrees, I believe. We're going to Bodmin, which I think is about an hour and a half away from here. I'm not sure which route we take, whether it's A39 again. But it should be a fun day. We're actually meeting up with a mate of mine. Really looking forward to see him and his girlfriend. They've got a camper van. They're going to meet us at the next campsite. It's the final sort of leg of final stretch, if you will. It's flown by, absolutely flown by. Can't believe it's already Saturday, but yeah, I can't be sad. If anything, that just means I have to get myself one of these bikes, and then I'll be happy all the time. It's that simple. But the bike has been absolutely superb. Generally, Ducati, you have nailed it with your 1100 Sport Pro. Just gonna have this coffee and off we jolly well. Do we grab any beer? Julie and I arrived at our next campsite, which is, what the hell's it called now? Cornish Tipi Holidays, I think it's called. Cornish Tipi Holiday, that rings a bell. Really, really sweet little setup. So the final weekend of this holiday is just nothing but 20 odd degree sun, no cloud. Can I do this zooming thing? I have no idea how to do this right now. Oh, there we go, nailed it. It's probably going to be quite fresh. Oh, well, now I've zoomed in myself. We're getting there, people. Bear with me. There we go. Tech, eh? God, I sound like an old man. Right, Anyway, so very excited to, after the hour-and-a-half ride today, just jump in the water, have a swim. We're then going to go back to the campsite afterwards and have a barbecue, have a lot to drink and just relax. Tomorrow we'll try and go out and grab some more content, probably come back here with the bike. There's some beautiful, beautiful areas where it looks to get some shots. I think the bike will just look amazing here. And the day after that we leave and we head back to Bath. And then that's the return leg of the journey.
Sometimes that kind of